Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Our Expressionist Studio, Priscilla Batzell's YouTube channel. This is Roadside Lilies. Was a very dark video. If you want to see it, it's unlisted. Ask me for the link and I will let you watch it. We're going to try and do it again. We'll see what happens. So, I've got all the things that I need. All the paint colors anyway. To do a sky, because I want to start with a sky. And I'm going to use that is dioxazine purple from Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby, and it has iridescent pearl fine mixed into it from Golden. I'm just going to give myself all the colors that I want. That's a peacock from Decor Americana. This is so old I couldn't possibly tell you what it was anymore. I'm probably going to want to put some more of this. Venetian blue from Master's Touch, Modern Masters, not Master's Touch. This is a hot orchid from Color Art. This is my OXO omelet turning spatula. I do want to cover all of the canvas. I don't mind taking some paint from above and bringing it down. This is just meant to simulate a sky. I didn't put any hot orchid in the last one because I think I was running low, or I may not even have had it yet. I'm going to have to make up a pan of colors for the flowers. I might take a minute. Definitely want some purple in there. I might want some darker purple in there if I can lay my hands on it quickly enough. I'm not seeing it. Colors, because it's right in front of me. And it's also not open. Oh, I would love for that to be open. Okay. Well, I'm not going to worry about it right now. At least not this second. I'm going to take my spatula, wipe my paint off on the side, and figure the top and that other side will take care of itself in time. She said, not believing a word she said. It is what it is for right now. Yeah, I don't mind that. I really want some of that purple, and I'm going to use my sharp tweezers that are on my Amazon link under the link tree. The link tree is under the video, and on the link tree you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups. My Amazon link, if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out, but there's great stuff there. Really good tools. I want some purple there, and some more there. Yeah. Don't have quite as much black showing on the bottom half as I did the first time I did this. The first time I did this, it was an imitation of a photograph that I took of Roadside Lilies, and then I digitally altered it. That is going in the bucket. I'm like, maybe I don't want that white spot right in the middle, but it's not white, it's pale blue anyway. There, enough. Now I've taken to wiping off my spatula on my Lolifi or Lolivifi or whatever silicone mat it's called, and I'm going to grab that chunk of rug fuzz. What is that? I don't know where it came from. It probably came off a towel. So I'm going to give myself as many of the colors that I liked the last time from my flowers and throw a couple more in there. I don't think I'm going to give myself nearly enough, to tell you the truth. But I am going to combine, oh, that's got to be closed, right? I really do open my bottles on a regular basis, and then after I upload a movie I come back and they're no longer that way. So let me grab a skewer and make you wait, because I really want this color in there. And some more of that color. Oh, that's the color. I'm going to throw a little bit of gold in there because I can. And a little bit of golden iridescent pearl fine also. And I'll see how far this will go. I'm going to use a little bit more of the hot orchid. And one is mixed with my regular recipe, which is under the video. And this one is mixed with Color Art products. I want some lighter pink. I'm going to give it to myself. This is an iridescent from a while ago. I don't think I can get my hands on any more of it. This is a magenta from Golden with iridescent pearl fine in it. This is, it would have been if it was open. Oh darn. This is a Folk Art Neon. And I got just enough of it open. I guess my flowers are going to be a whole lot more pink, or I'm going to just orange them right up. I wonder why I didn't put any yellow in there. Okay, that looks to me to be enough. So I'm going to go ahead just grab shovelfuls. And hope that I have enough. I am going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula because wasting paint is not part of my MO. And I'm going to wish that I had made a whole bunch more of that so I could use it to make the flower heads. So maybe I'll just leave this all in the corner because it's nice and there's a little bit left. And we can do that. I'll let my shovel drain. I should have saved myself a little more. Alright, I have an edge catcher. And I want all that paint to go down for the moment and up. And then I'm going to do something I did last time as an afterthought, although I could definitely use a smaller spatula. I'm going to try the big one. I still have flower tips to put on, flower heads to put on. I suppose I could make more orange if I wanted to, because that is the color it's looking like. Just going to keep running it up and down. Probably going to do the same exact thing when it comes to the greenery. I see that large lump. Come here, lump. Now, last time I did this, I just used my bottles, and it's definitely a temptation to repeat that stage. I do want a clean skewer, but I'll try this one. So I'm just going to keep filling in by pressing in the gaps. And this is a little different than the last one because I put green in before this stage. And it's going to be time to do that right quick. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I'm going to grab my little Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And just run it up and back. I'm going to put some more color in here in a minute. But for right now, I just want to make a point. Although I probably wouldn't have to. You probably don't have to make a point. But I kind of want to. Love the colors. See, less messing around with the colors is less likely to make mud with green and orange. See that thing in there? Again, where do you come from, thing? Thought I took that out. I don't know if I can finish all of this. I am going to have to touch up my edges. Where's my other color? There it is. This is emerald green from Folk Art. This is a color shift, the same as the green gold that I just put on. Now when I finally finish this, I will probably most likely put a light coat of something on here. This is just ever so, it's the impression of leaf shapes is what we're doing. And we're leaving that black in the background just as something that is an accent. And now it's up to me to decide what I'm going to do by taking the rest of the paint and a little more and putting it into my shovel. And then I'm going to try and get it to drop out. So I make some flower shapes. I'm a little concerned about those big pointy, well, they weren't pointy until a second ago. These big shapes. But I think that they'll blend. And I will put green stems attached if I feel like I need to. Do I have enough? Very nearly. I can of course add some more color to my puddles also. Let that drain. That was not necessarily what I had in mind there. It doesn't matter. Because I can always put some more. I would like that to come out in a steady stream, to be honest with you. Well, that tells me I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. And I have a link tree underneath the video. I think I mentioned it. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, as well as Facebook groups, are all there. And my website. If you are the least bit interested in owning one of my paintings and you don't want to buy it, you might consider donating to help keep the studio rolling. Because that happens. There's an exhibition video that happens every single month, and it's on the end screens. And it will share with you what that month's exhibition, what that month's prizes are. I'm sorry, I'm totally distracted by what I'm attempting to do. I might want to add a few more colors. I might just call it good. I wish I'd put a little bit more white sprinkled in there, but I could probably hit the flowers up. They're less roadside lilies and more fluffy. It's tulips. I may have a few details like linking flowers to bases. I like also being able to pull out, without the orange please, pull out some, I don't know what those little leaves are called next to the thing that holds up a flower. But I think I better show that to you pretty quick, even in the condition it's in. And I might be really tempted to add a little bit. I got 1 minute left. So I've got, come on, I've got almost 1,800 videos. And they're organized by the 100 and by topic, genre, whatever. You guys can ask me questions. Look for my paint pouring recipe underneath the video. Yeah, I really like just adding a little bit of that hot orchid from Color Art right there. And I'm tempted to just add a little bit of white and see how that works. Kind of like that, as long as I don't drip anywhere that it doesn't belong. I'll probably pull that down. So I love you guys. There's over 91,000 of you. You're probably going to be gone in a second, and that's too bad because there's all kinds of stuff I didn't tell you. Look for tomorrow's video on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook, or look for my PayPal or Patreon icons if you want to be in the monthly drawing on my YouTube channel banner or on my link tree. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida.